The journey of a woman entrepreneur is challenging. Staying informed and keeping up on every single industry trend might seem time-consuming and difficult. Well, I'm here to tell you that there is value to stay updated on recent trends and technology. If you're interested in scaling your business and creating your dream team with the use of trends and technology, keep watching this video. First off, let me ask you this. How much do you value staying updated on the latest trends and tech? It's not just about staying relevant, it's about thriving in the ever-evolving business landscape. If you've ever heard me speak on this, you know that I loathe the idea of having to keep up with the social media Joneses. But that doesn't mean that I suggest completely ignoring all industry trends. I believe and know that you can insulate yourself from that comparison-itis often transferred through social media, while still leveraging market and social media trends. Staying updated on industry trends and technology allows you to understand market demands better. This insight is invaluable when building your dream team because it helps you identify the skill sets and the expertise your team needs to meet those demands. You won't be guessing about what your customers want. You'll have data-backed knowledge. One of my favorite terms for leveraging industry trends is called brand jacking, the strategic leveraging of a trending topic to boost your own relevance. My favorite example of this was when a story on Oprah drove sales to my store without even knowing it. How did that happen? So back in 2006, yes, like the dark ages, right before I opened my new lingerie storefronts in Hawaii, Oprah hosted a show endorsing the type of bras I was about to start selling. I took advantage of the moment and pitched local media outlets to cover how a local store was carrying an Oprah-vetted and approved product. It was free marketing that drove my store to have a wildly successful opening. And that's what's possible when you brand jack. Market trends can change fast. In fact, staying agile in your marketing and expecting new ideas to come your way as fast as trends change will enable you to stay far ahead of your competitors who are stuck trying to differentiate themselves in the old and slow way. As we wrap up this journey, remember that being relevant is powerful and can often generate free traffic that puts you ahead of the curve. It's these types of agile marketing strategies that turn your team into a unicorn marketing team. So if you're a woman entrepreneur, take action. Embrace industry trends and technology as your allies. With these strategies, you can build your dream team, scale your business, and most importantly, thrive. And that's a wrap on today's video. Remember, this YouTube channel is all about helping entrepreneurs and CEOs understand how to easily transform their team into a unicorn team. If you want to better understand the overarching idea of building a unicorn team yourself, check out this video here. And if you found value in this content, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button below so we can get this video in front of more CEOs like us who need help growing our unicorn teams. Be sure to also hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you're notified when new content is released. I'm Jen Kem, here to help you get the right messaging and team support to build the wealth, power, and leadership you are meant to bring to the world. Until next time.